Welcome back everyone. Today we are looking at two vintage 6.5 inches or 166mm Philips drivers. On one side, the 1970s Philips AD3706 AlNiCo full range and the Philips AD7080 ferrite full range that I bought new for €1 with the original box. To make it simple, they are not good sounding drivers, mostly because of several peaks in the frequency response, the strongest one being around 4 kHz on both drivers, but it extends all the way to 6 kHz for the AlNiCo AD3706. This issue makes them quite harsh, but when it comes to the newer AD7080, this harshness tends to disappear off axis or when moving away from the driver. Mids and highs are therefore extremely unnatural and tiring to listen to, but this was to be expected as it is an extremely common issue with whizzer cone drivers and one of the reasons why you should always go for a two-way design and avoid, if possible, coaxial drivers. So why are those old Philips drivers so famous? The Philips AD7080 was very common and therefore easy to get, even for free. Dual or single cone, regular or ultra slim design, this driver was perfect for a Sunday garage project in the 1990s, but became completely obsolete today, and this is what makes it really cool to have. It is a vintage Philips and brings a lot of nostalgia to all audio enthusiasts, me included. And to be honest, they can be quite impressive. They get quite loud with very little power thanks to their high efficiency, and the large but thin 5.5 inch paper cone allows them to have decent bass output for a 4-watt driver.
Some fun like one of a kind, girl. Till morning's here. When opinions start to guide us, we won't let them define us. No, we'll play it by ear.
I'm petty, but I know how to lie. I feel feelings that I can't describe. I'm not breathing, but I'm still alive. Whoa. But I think I'll be alright. 'Cause I'm not giving up, I'm not giving up yet. I feel that it's my time, so I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything I got. So I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything I got. I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything I got. Why do I still have hope? So many days have passed. I wait around for things to change, but change is not.
Every now and then I think we have something real. Don't know why. 'Cause I've been like this when I never thought that I would fight for you this much. Don't know why. And tonight, I'm not the one to be blamed.
Fire burn, but Thursday.